I was very pleasantly surprised to discover that YIVO not only acknowledges and respects all of the different Yiddish dialects, but also really celebrates them and makes them accessible to everybody. And I think, yeah, in addition to to Klaussprach, to the academic Yiddish that we learn that, of course, is necessary for textual engagement, that there's also a clear honoring of everybody's families, everyone's regions, everyone's everything, and that's been really special. My main reason for wanting to learn Yiddish is because I sing Yiddish songs, and I would really love to be able to understand what I'm singing. The way that Yiddish music is written, you don't often know which notes even go with which part of which word. And so being able to have a more natural flow and to really understand the meaning that I want to convey is my main reason. I mean, I'm still not at the point where I can truly dream in Yiddish, but I have a sense of everything should be Yiddish, and a sense of this is the culmination of everything that I've really been doing my entire life, even though I didn't realize it. And I hope that I can, get to the level someday that I can really be properly fluent in Yiddish or something close to it. So what I would really love to do is sing, more and more Yiddish music. I hope I'll do more with Zalman Mlotek and the Folksbiene I have in the past. It's all, pretty much all arts focused, but yeah, someday I hope if I'm able to, have a family, yeah, I would really, really love for every generation to be better at Yiddish than the last. This has been a transformative experience for me, and I really mean this. I think this is probably the best thing to happen in my life since I graduated college. It's really worth it. It's really, really, really worth it to take, just as many of those courses as you can, and just get the most out of the program as possible. Whatever you can do, do it. And I think that there's a place for everyone here. I think that's important too. If you come, you create the community. I feel like I genuinely did make friends here.